Have you tried everything to achieve a full erection like you had when you were younger? Have you lost your confidence, feel disappointed, and started to believe that you have to accept not performing sexually the way you used to? You are not alone. Erectile dysfunction can result from many different reasons: medical conditions, the natural aging process, side effects of previous surgeries, or even injury or trauma. After trying everything, it is common to feel frustrated and think you have reached the end of your sexually active life, especially when nothing seems to work. But there is another option. If you are looking for a long-term, reliable solution, there is a surgical treatment, penile implant. This option is designed for men who do not achieve the result they want from medication, injections, or other therapies. After surgery, you can return to a sexually active life and regain your confidence. If you want to know whether this treatment is right for you, visit my website for more information and book private consultation. I'm Dr. Amin. I perform over 1,000 penile implant surgery. I'm based in Dubai. I'm here to help professionally and confidentially.